In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll start with a quick Google search, jump into the official Wix website, head over to your dashboard, and then open the Wix editor to find the feedback option through the Add menu. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect on screen. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. You should see the official result near the top. Look for the listing that clearly shows the wix.com domain. It typically appears as wix.com website builder, create a free website in minutes. Verifying the domain helps ensure you're landing on the legitimate site and avoids any lookalikes or ads that aren't what you want. Click that official Wix result to open the Wix website. Depending on your browsing history, you might be taken straight to your account dashboard, or you may see the homepage first. If you're prompted to sign in, simply continue with your usual login method so you can access your sites. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard at manage.wix.com, where you can manage settings, apps, and design. On the dashboard, locate the option labeled Design Site. This takes you directly to the Wix editor for the site you're currently viewing. If you manage more than one site, make sure the correct site is selected before you proceed. Clicking Design Site may open a new tab. Give it a moment to load. Wix loads your site's content and tools so you can make changes visually. Inside the Wix editor, look for the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the plus icon, typically labeled Add. Click Add to open the panel of elements and sections you can place on your pages. This is your central hub for adding text, images, buttons, forms, apps, and more. If you're using a different Wix interface, the icon might look a little different, but the concept is the same. You're opening the Elements menu. Within the Add panel, locate Feedback. Click Feedback to access Wix's feedback-related options. This section is designed to help you collect input from your visitors, whether that's quick ratings, comment boxes, or more structured feedback tools. Choosing feedback here ensures you're working with elements built to gather insights and improve your site based on real visitor responses. That's the entire flow. Search for Wix on Google. Open the official Wix site, go to your dashboard, select Design Site, open the Add menu, and click Feedback. As you explore the options that appear, keep your goals in mind, what you want to learn from visitors, and how you'll use that input. Thanks for following along, and take your time in the editor so every change you make supports a better experience for your audience.